This video shows you how you can easily connect your Microsoft Dynamics CRM online or on-premise system with Xero using the Stellarise Dynamics Xero Connector. Once you've registered for a free trial at ngt.stellarise.com and logged in, the first thing you'll see is that you don't have any connections set up. To get started, click on Create a New Connection and choose New Dynamics Xero Connector. The first thing you need to do is create the connection to Xero using their API. As you can see, I'm already logged into Xero, which means that creating the connection later on will be that little bit simpler. Download our unique certificate and make a note of where it has been saved. We're going to be using this to create the secure connection to Xero. Now open up https://api.xero.com. You can use the link we've provided. When that opens, you'll need to connect to Xero. If you're already logged in, you won't be asked to enter your credentials. Just authorize the connection, making sure that you've selected the correct Xero organization if you have more than one. I'm using the demo company for this video. Now that you've authorized against the API, you need to register the Dynamics Xero Connector application against Xero. Click on the Register Your Own Application link. Select Private, enter a name to identify this connection. Make sure you've selected the correct organization to access, and upload the Stellarise certificate file you downloaded earlier. Once that's done, agree to the terms and conditions and click Save. Xero generates a unique consumer key and consumer secret for you. You need to carefully copy and paste these values, along with the application name, back into the connection that you're setting up. Once that's done, you can create the connection to Microsoft Dynamics. To set up the connection to Dynamics, you first need to download and install a Stellarise managed solution into your Microsoft Dynamics CRM instance. Once you've downloaded the managed solution, make a note of where it is saved, as you'll need it in a minute. Switch to your Microsoft Dynamics CRM instance and go to Settings and then Solutions. Click on Import to import the solution you've just downloaded. And click Next. Once Dynamics has finished importing the solution, click Close. Next, you'll need to publish the solution. Click on Publish All Customizations in the ribbon. Once the solution is published, you need to grab the Dynamics endpoint URL and paste that back to the connection you're setting. The easiest way to do this is to copy the first part of the URL and paste it into the connection. Then enter in the credentials of an account that has sufficient access rights for the connector. This doesn't need to be a new account, but do make sure it has the right privileges. Finally, choose the subscription you want to sign up to. Once you've done all that, click on Create Connection and you'll be returned to your list of connections. The green traffic light next to the connection means that you've entered correct details. You're all set. The connection is now live and invoices can now be sent from Dynamics to Xero.